Hey guys, just the quickest of recipes here. I was just sitting and playing around with Dreamdata's G2 integration, which basically means we'll extract all the intent data that G2 has provided you guys with, upload it into Dreamdata, and then we're able to play around with it in easy, accessible ways. If you don't know what G2 is, it's pretty much the biggest software review platform in the world, and their intent data is incredibly strong, and it's just really really valuable, and I'm going to show you why that is right now. So on G2, what you're seeing here is that we've extracted all the intent data from G2, and on G2 we are listed there. Our competitors are listed there. There's categories that are relevant for us, and so forth. Now I just want to show you how to make a super interesting list for you, which you can then consider what's the best use of. But let's give some honorable mentions to to Dreamdata's competitors here. So Visible. Let's do Caliber Mind as well. And let's do Infinigro. I think that's about it. So now what I've done here is I've set the review pages of three of our main competitors. Which companies are visiting those? Well, that's pretty nice to know. What do you want to use it for? Well, I can think of three use cases. One, you can start to do account-based marketing towards these companies because, if they're looking at your competitors, it's pretty relevant probably for you to be in front of them as well. I can go in here myself, go directly to the LinkedIn page of these companies, start adding the right personas. I can see if they're in our CRM already or not. And the last use case is really hand it over to the BDR team, handing over to the meeting bookers, the SDRs, whatever you want to call them. This is real intent of people looking at your competitors. So it's pretty relevant to get in front of them. So that's all for now. Just this quick recipe, and I wish you happy hunting if you have the great G2 intent data and have integrated it with Dreamdata. Bye.